2, 3. Over there. That's a buzzer. Succeeding the most deadliest creatures of all, a kitty.
There's another car coming.
And coming up, it's a Mustang. You're gonna see it. There's a Mustang.
Look at the grace of that Mustang.
Look at that. Firestone wheel. Look at that minivan.
My minivan almost hit that kitty.
If you look, there's intestines and people on the bus stop over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna get closer. I'm gonna poke it with a stick.
The
Start of it.
What a jerk. He scared it.
He's ruining our footage.
It's the La Chusa. It's in the damn house. Shh, just wait here, wait here. Just wait right there. Tell me there's another car. God damn it. Come on, Vulture, go eat it.
Shut up.
Damn it. Well, there's the cat. It's all dead.
Let's go get a close up on the cat.
Alright, we're gonna go get a close up on the cat.
We're gonna get a close up on that.
That close up on that dead cat.
Just so we can get the blizzard on there.
The blizzard. There's the blizzard. He's right there.
And the cat.
Blizzard. And the dead cat.
Blimey, that blizzard.
I hope he doesn't attack us for getting it. That's gross. Look at that.
You see the intestines? There it is. That's unhumane.
Unhumane, you stupid blizzard.